Hi, I'm Lizzie, and I'm a part of the CYDI YouthBuild program. Working in the YouthBuild summer program has made me more aware of the opportunities that are out there. Everything is not dead set. Everything is very flexible, and once you find something that you like, they really help me learn to just go after it. In a professional sense, YouthBuild program has helped me realize the different skills, interpersonal and professional skills that are required to work in the actual workforce. After YouthBuild, I feel like I've gained a lot of confidence in my professionalism, a lot of confidence in the way that I do my work and how effectively I do my work and how quickly I get it done. And I'm pretty confident in my ability to go into any job force and absolutely dominate it. A lot of the people in YouthBuild, my coworkers, were also my peers, and we didn't really talk much, but seeing them work and everything, I realized that everybody here has a bit of a drive to them that I didn't know that they had. And I love people who love working and love what they're doing and kind of put everything into everything that they do. Just like me, I've met a lot of people, and I feel like we could be friends for a long time. If you're considering joining YouthBuild, I say come at it and try it, because you never know what you want to do unless you do it. It's an amazing opportunity, it's an amazing experience, it's a way to get money, and it's a way to further yourself and further your professional career.